Hello friends, I am Guru Lingaya. I am a financial planner. I am a specialist in helping the parents who wants to plan for the corpus of rupees 25 lakhs to 1 crore for their children's higher education without any difficulties. While planning more than 200 families for the higher education funds since 20 years, I came to know every parent wants to send their children for the higher education in one of the best education institutions and do not want to have a shortage of funds for this. If you also want to plan for higher education fund of rupees 25 lakhs to 1 crore, call my number 9980531285. I'll inform you. I'm very happy to help you in planning of higher education fund for rupees 25 lakhs to 1 crore for your children. Do not wait, call immediately.